Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. My legs are hurting from walking so much today, but I'm in downtown Gatlinburg. We're gonna do some stuff tonight. I haven't been down here in a while, so just chilling. But Great Kitty, you wanna go hang out? Let's go.
I think we're gonna go get pizza.
Sure. I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna head to. But red light number 8. There's the Space Needle. There's a policeman. So shh, y'all don't talk too loud. We'll walk down this way. I am sporting my Alabama sweater in the middle of Gatlinburg, and I want to see who says anything. Not to mention my Alabama. Where should we head? I'm not doing no moonshine places before y'all say anything. I know my legs feel like jelly though. We'll just walk down the strip and see what happens. You want to go pick on people on the sky lift? Throw rocks at them. They can't get off. And we'll do that later. It's a sweet shop over there. Look at all this, the scarecrows up and down this way. A ton of them. It's the Gatlinburg Inn. People are walking. So, can we get a picture of you guys?
I think we got it.
You good? Okay, no problem. It's been nice.
Oh my god.
Want to see the banjo people? This little girl plays the fiddle. I'm not hearing the music playing though. Must be the silent movie.
You're gonna hate it.
Pucker up. You pucker. I'm just seeing what the name of the store is. It's called Puckers. So we are, or I am. Oh, look at the little pigeon. You're about to attack the lady on her cell phone here. What are you looking at? I don't see anything on your cell phone. What the heck? So we are walking down this strip of Gatlinburg, and well, I say we're, it's just me. at this stuff. It's really pretty. I like the glass blown stuff. One of my favorite things. Stuff like this. It's really neat. Why does my legs hurt so much? These bags. This is Alabama gear right here. Alabama gear, right there, front window. Do you know something I haven't done since I've been here? I have not played a round of putt-putt golf. Well, I take that back. I played at that campground. I say that, but not a real game of putt-putt.
That's actually like your clan tag on Xbox.
Peace frogs. Look at these pajamas. Nurse. Killing those who feel froggy.
But it's getting cold.
My left leg especially, right above my thigh, is driving me nuts. When I was walking up that trail today, I tripped over a log and fell onto my hands. And it hurt at the time, but it wasn't that bad. But now I'm starting to feel it. So, Mr. Toolman here, he's got his tools up, ready to go. I work right up the street there, and I've been down this trail. I don't know how many times. I've just about have everything memorized. I like to window shop though. I really like the little cheesy stuff. I mean, it's fun, but I don't want to spend $10 on something that I'm gonna be like, why did I just spend $10 on that? That adds up fast too. But if you've never been to Gatlinburg, you need to come up. It's a really pretty city. It's the Smoky Mountains, of course. It's beautiful up there, especially this time of year. The leaves are changing. My leg is really bothering me though.
We still got ice cream and pop.
Oh, my phone. I hope the camera on my phone is not shaky too bad. Hope you guys can see the quality. Is this it? It is a really pretty town. I'm not too fond of all the moonshine places that they've moved in. I talk about that all the time, how it's booze everywhere. Not boobs, booze. Make sure I say that right. B-O-O-Z-E. But anyway, I'm not going in here because I can get in there for free. And just thought about doing something today. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do though. I'll take a sit down for a minute. There's a fat guy with no head right there. So, what are we doing? What y'all want to do? I'm gonna go in here and show my paycheck. That way I can get in. Scared me. Can I get in and use my paycheck?
Where do you work?
At Pauline's up the road. It's a tall man. Is he sitting down? Pretty great. There's Trump, guys. Thumbs up. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna paste stuff. I'm gonna try to get in. Okay. Sorry if I'm moving this.
If you're going to scan your ticket at turnstile, you'll get one of these lanyards.
Okay.
Register downstairs.
Alright, thank you. Let me get situated over here. Sorry, I'm not trying to move everybody around. I gotta get my get the tickets. I got the kitty cat badge. So, what? This guy's like tall. What the heck? He's like, how do I measure? I don't know. There. I like to have that guy on my basketball team. Whoa, he's sitting there. He just got tired. Alright, so I'm gonna leave for a minute. Scared the crap out of me.
Can you beat the clock before the pieces pop?
I'm gonna record this. I'll talk to you guys a little bit.